Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Accounts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to renew my YouTube premium subscription, and this is that message: something went wrong, could not complete your purchase. Check that you have the correct country selected in your Play account. So how to get rid of this error message? And this is only occurs to you if you mistakenly select the wrong country in your Google payment method. So anyway, if you like to fix it, just open your Google Play Store and tap your profile picture icon and go to Payments and Subscriptions and select this payment methods, and here it shows me all linked payment methods, but you can go to more payment settings. Now my phone browser is opening. So here I try to press this horizontal 3 lines icon and go to settings. So here you can check it if you select the correct payment profile or not. And here also you can check this country or region. So if you select the correct details or not. So once you check it and close all the windows, and one time clear this Play Store app data. So by simply long press on that Play Store app icon and click on the circle icon and go to storage and finally click to clear data. So once you clear this app data, and don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, and again I try to renew my YouTube premium subscription. So here I select the payment method as credit card. But friends, now this time you can see my YouTube premium subscription renewal process is successfully completed, and it doesn't show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.